Hi there, my name is Gary Graves. I'm a professor in business management, focusing on entrepreneurship.
The Fullerton College Entrepreneurship program uses a comprehensive approach to training students in all aspects of starting and operating a business.
If you're looking to solve some problem in the world, entrepreneurship is probably for you.
From business planning for the first-time entrepreneur to the experienced business person.
So the very first program, we have two classes. One is Business 180, which is small business management, which is a very hands-on business planning class. And Business 181, which is entrepreneur mindset, which helps you to really focus in on that entrepreneurial thinking, to really dive into taking care of things in your life, as well as how to solve problems through a business.
We will guide you step by step through solid business planning, design thinking, target marketing, and more.
This is where the classes really do help, because small business management, entrepreneur mindset, even creativity matters will help you to discover the problems that you want to solve. Curiosity, creativity, right? And a little bit of planning can take you a long way.